This event is BlizzardShack. This event is a collaboration of UChoose, UPB, Campus Rec, and as well as RHA and a lot of other organizations. Some things that are going on today are we have the inflatable obstacle course, a rock wall, some s'mores, flair bartenders to make mocktails, cotton candy, popcorn, and then a mini golf course that's sponsored by different organizations throughout campus.
I'm on the Community Crime Impact team, and we're liaisons for the university. And so we're here tonight doing the alcohol awareness event and having the sponsor a hole. We're hole number 3, and it's we've made a kind of a house to simulate a house party, and we have house party related questions in regards to social host ordinance, loud party noise ordinance, and some other questions just related to that. So if you get one of those questions right, you move up a little bit closer to the hole. If you get both questions right, you move up even closer to the hole. And then we have what we call drunk goggles that the player will put on. So they either have to wear the .20 goggles or the .08 goggles, and it really gives them a challenge. One, to kind of know what .08 or .20 might feel like, but also gives them that challenge for the game.
My name is Andrew Anderson. I'm here for the inflatables, and this is end zone. The object of the game: 2 people go into the front entrance. It's an obstacle course all the way till the end, and then there's a slide at the very end.